Hello, my name is Javon. I'm a BMW genius here at Weatherford BMW, and today we'll be going over the backup assistant feature, which can help get you out of tight spaces. The backup assistant records steering wheel movements of up to 165 feet, getting you out of any tight spaces. However, the driver is still responsible for braking and monitoring traffic conditions. To use it, simply press the parking distance control button, and then press the backup assistant option. Let your hands off the steering wheel and make sure you are maintaining an appropriate speed. The car will then prompt you to take over complete control once you come to the end of 165 feet. The car will keep rolling backwards if you don't. Stay tuned for more insightful videos soon to come.